More than 60,000 people in southern Utah may qualify for federal compensation after being exposed to radioactive fallout during nuclear testing dating back to the 1950s.
ABC4's Katie Corrales explains why time is running out to apply.
A figurative cloud remains over southern Utah as the tragedy of cancer, birth defects, and suffering has impacted each and every community.
My father died. A couple years later, my sister died. A month later, my daughter died. Loved and adored my father. But when my daughter was diagnosed with cancer, it was just the last thing on earth I ever dreamed would happen.
Downwinder Claudia Peterson says she had an idyllic childhood on a farm in Cedar City, unaware that the fresh foods her family ate and the ponds they swam in were contaminated, that radioactive material dispersing for miles from the Nevada test site. Many downwinders with 19 qualifying cancers are encouraged to seek up to $50,000 before the Radiation Exposure Compensation Act expires in July of next year. Staff at a clinic at St. George Regional Hospital say they're here to walk people through the application.
They can call and we can get them applications. We can walk them through the steps. They can come in and review the application with us. We can email and talk to the Department of Justice on their behalf.
Applicants need to provide their birth certificate and proof that they have the disease and were in the area at the time of the testing. Spouses, children, and grandchildren of deceased loved ones can also apply. In the meantime, many downwinders are encouraging the public to speak to legislators about extending the act as the gene mutations pass on from generation to generation.
I don't know how they're going to say, no, we're not going to do that when they've contaminated the people in the communities. So the fight is back on.
Reporting in St. George, Katie Corrales, ABC4 News.